Hi, and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm MyKey. Today's walk around video is this absolutely stunning Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost ST line. 125 brake horsepower variant, finished in shadow black, absolutely stunning alloys, unmarked car throughout, privacy glass around the rear windows. Show you inside, fabulous attention to detail, ST line embroidery, Isofix child seat anchor points in the back, keeping babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. USB connectivity in the rear, but also in the front. So for charging your devices is also a 12-volt power supply. Does have air conditioning and heated front windscreen, satellite navigation, audio including DAB radio, Bluetooth telephony and audio streaming from a smartphone or device, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So just connecting your device via USB cable, it will actually mirror your phone on that screen. Push button stop start, speed limiter and cruise control. Sorry, do forgive me, it's just speed limiter on this car. And we've got lane keeping aid. Right hand side we've got enhanced voice command and Bluetooth telephony with audio streaming and radio station preset control. Power to front windows, electronic door mirror adjustment, finishes this car off fantastically well. Traction control settings and economy settings. Price scrutiny on a twice daily basis to make sure you're getting an absolute bargain. Not only that though, safety checked and prepared by our Ford trained technicians, and of course award-winning customer care and aftercare service. Thanks for watching, bye bye for now.